Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and we also have a Toby hanging out with us today. I'm going to be doing the full review of the CG2 Road Cruiser. Yeah, we're going to do it right here in front of the garage because it's nice and cool out right now, and definitely want Toby to get some outside time, so that's why I'm doing it in front of the garage. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So first off, right off the bat, this bike is aluminum. The color of this Mooncool CG2 Road Cruiser is vibrant orange. It also comes in a Serenity blue, just so you guys are aware. So, alright, I'm going to start at the front like I normally do. We have so these are actually 3.5 inches. I actually took a measuring tape off camera to double check because that's such an unusual size for me. Usually they're like 2 to 4 inches, so having that odd number, I had to double check and make sure, but these are 3.5 inch tires, and they have this really cool like knitting pattern thread pattern. Now these are regular street tires, so these tires are not made for going off-roading, but yeah, that's just kind of a cool pattern that we got going on there. Then up here we do have a working LED headlight. Making my way up. The handlebar stem. If you noticed, there are no suspension forks on this cargo bike. They are rigid. The handlebars are nice and adjustable if needs be. We have our palm rest handle grips, which are very comfortable and make it easier for a smooth ride. Over here on the left side, we do have our buttons for turn signals. The tail light does work, and we also have a horn here on the left side. And then over here as well on the left side, we have our multifunctioning LCD gray screen display. It appears more clearly in the sunlight, and it also has 5 different levels. So you can see your miles per hour, you can see how much power you have, and you can see how many miles you have ridden. On the right side here, we have our bell. And we also have a Shimano 7-speed shifter. On the right side here, we again have our palm rest handle grips for maximum comfort. And then we also have our twisty throttle. This is a step-through cargo e-bike. Here on the down tube, you can see that they added a little water bottle holder. Right here, we have our comfortable vacuum foaming seat. And then right below the saddle, we have our battery, which is a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. So these pedals are made of alloy, and they are 9/16 of an inch. And while I'm thinking about it, this e-bike is a cadence sensor. It is not a torque sensor. Now most cargo bikes have this dual stem kickstand. Now we did go on Amazon and we did buy a regular kickstand just to make it a little easier for us to prop up. Back here you can see that we have the hydraulic disc brakes, and we also have a rear hub motor, which is 48 volts and 750 watts. Now back here we have our tail light, which was broken upon delivery to us, and it's okay because Mooncool is going to be shipping us a new tail light for this bike. But the tail light does function. It has braking functions and turn signal functions. So the charging time for this e-bike is 10 hours, and the top speed for this first batch of e-bikes is 20 miles per hour. Mooncool has already reached out to us and let us know that the next batch of this CG2 Road Cruiser cargo bike is going to have a top speed of 25 miles per hour. You will be able to unlock it to 25 miles per hour. So that is something to look forward to in the next batch. They also have accessories that they will be adding for the customer's purchase. there will be available accessories for passengers and cargo needs. So I did go over the main specs of the CG2 road cruiser. If there's any additional information that you want, you can absolutely go on the Mooncool website. And there are also operators that you can reach out to if you have any questions. So let's go ahead and get into the riding portion and see how this bad boy performs. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing the riding portion of the CG2 road cruiser. I already have it in pedal assist 1 and I'm just pedaling, pedal only. I'm getting it up to 9.9, maybe 10 miles per hour. It says 9.9. I'm just pedaling at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, not going really fast. So just pedaling, gonna get up to pedal assist 2. And I am getting up to about 13 miles per hour. Just pedaling. In pedal assist 3, it gets up to 16 miles per hour. Now, still just pedaling only. Pedal assist 4, getting it up to about 18 miles per hour. And then up to pedal assist 5, it gets up to that top speed of 20 miles per hour. So that was pedal only. I'm gonna go right back down to pedal assist 1 and I'm gonna use throttle only. So here we go. Yep, so it gets up to 20 miles per hour in pedal assist 1. Same for pedal assist 2, pedal assist 3, pedal assist 4, and pedal assist 5. So it doesn't matter which pedal assist you are in when you are just using throttle, because you will still get up to that top speed of 20 miles per hour. I'm gonna test the brakes up here at the stop sign, stopping after being up at 18 miles per hour. Yeah, came to a dead stop. So the brakes work fantastic. And it does handle well too. It feels good when I'm weaving back and forth. All right, so let's go ahead and take this thing out for a ride.